Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Adobe Premiere Error Code 1609891836. The error reads, "Audio playback failed. Premiere Pro could not start audio playback." As per our research, the error occurs when trying to play a video inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Users have reported that no audio is recognized in any videos, and clicking play triggers the error message. Also, many users have shared that the issue started appearing after a recent update to Premiere Pro. According to our research, the error has been caused by any bugs, or you need to free up some space for cache data. We first suggest you make sure that you are using the latest version of the Adobe Premiere. If you need to update the Adobe Premiere, then install the pending update and check for the error again. If the Adobe Premiere is up to date with its latest version, it is possible that the error is coming because of insufficient storage space on the drive where media cache files are stored. To check that, open Adobe Premiere Pro and go to Preferences. Then select Media Cache. Then check where the cache files are being stored. If the drive where cache files are being stored is full or almost full, then free up space by deleting unnecessary files. Then restart Premiere Pro and check if the error is resolved. If the issue still persists after freeing up storage, the problem may require further assistance. In this case, reach out to Adobe Support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.